kasngi ga arphau Henry tarik nailar arhaja arphau lai ka Jantia National Council hapo ka jingalam u President rangba uba sambor milingdo kalahiar Shamikalia Cement Limited thang sky East Jantia Hills District halor ketu ka jingja kabalja haka arphau sau tarik nailar arhaja arphau lai habai kendu bat uwe uhe ketika company kaseng kala dawa mardor bade ban beno shisandan yakito ki badan kti ban pha sho pha bom ki pat ba bat kaseng kala dawa ru ba khamtam yakito ki bakran ba he ki batimsi baki di ban be kamno shisandan bat omdei shu banyo I yaki hapo kanika than nakaliang jong utei uhe ka company ulapan pau ba yakito ki bakran ba he ka company kala dab ban suspend yaki bat ulakularu hakmat kaseng ban shim da kasenjam ke bating yakito ki badan kti ban pha sho bat ula ongru bakito ki pat ba mensau ka company kan saai ka jingarap ulapan pau ru ba omla ban mudur setia bakanja dokumte bat upan map ru halor kato ka jingja ka ba penskusi shikat dei khamtam yaki longkemi kaseng kadawaru ba omdei tang ban suspend yaki henrei dei ban be sandan yaki napo kani ka than
Although I have not seen on the key and the morning I come to know that since morning they have stopped the people should not be around. Vehicle not allowed. Everybody is after the around 11 o'clock, around 11 o'clock. During the protest of the local people during public hearing around 24 seconds. As the police was pushing back the protesters as per the instruction of the administration officer, and two of our employees used some unparliamentary word during that. I accepted unparliamentary word. Meghalaya Cement Limited Corporation Management has taken a strong view of the above incident and has immediately suspended of the said employee. Corporation Management once again apologized the people due to the behavior of our employees. We assure a large at the Meghalaya Cement Limited is committed to promote peace, harmony and conducive environment for the employee and nearby village associated with our company, and also assure you that no such untoward incident will happen in future. This is what we are planning to give in this thing.
So we are happy with your statement. So we want some clarification regarding that suspension. Nakaliang kejongi ka Jantia National Council hadin ke balak je haka public hearing jong ka topsam ngi nakaliang keseng ngi penpau nungkong ke jing snosi ke bakrau banyu I ke to ke jing pendankam jong ki pulit da ke force ban persenga yo pait ba ki batmu ban wan ke to ke hearing ban persya ta ke bakam pen snosi susu yang kum keseng hi kelong habang yo I leng ba ki video leng ba ki social media ba armut naki kiwe naki balong kum kita ki officer apo kene ke plan kila pendon kam ki kentin ki ba penmong ya kajing sngau jong ki pait ba ka bala ru ban bu kajing ma ya ki batrai ha kene ka plan khamtam bat kum juru ya ki nong song hi tangi na kaliang ka seng menta ka sngi ngi layo ban yikran badu presiden jong ka topsam u hedu jong ka topsam ka badan ne apo tang sky ta ke jingi kran ke jongi batu kalong ke bas no tenat bantip ba marsen je ke to ke jingja na kaliang ki highest authorities ta kita ki highest management committee jong ke plan kila suspend mardor ya kita ki armut dengi na kaliang kesang ke jingi kran bar ki ngila penpau bangi ikum kesang impriang tang kata ke jing suspend ni kwa ru ba na kaliang ka managing committee jong ke company bakin welcome permanently na nation welcome na bakin sya syu ya kita ki arngut bakin tray hapo kani ka top sam ko badan hapo thang sky le ni hapo East Jantia Hill district ta kalong nakaliang u president jong kani ka plan ru ulai assurance ngi keseng baong ba nakaliang ka jong un sapha ya ka bangila ekran hapo kani ka meeting syaki bor ki ba kham halor nang bikin la ban shim ya ka ban le ka badan kam bat ula kula ru ba un bakin sawang hi makin sawang kam hi permanently ya kini ki arngut ta nakaliang ka jong presiden ula airu kata ka jing kula rakhbat jongi kinong ilam keseng bakin sa yarap by the way ya kito ki pait ba ki bala mensau hakato ka sngi jong kato ka jingja bat ngila kenturu iki bikin shna ya kata ka jingi dei ka ba bha bat kini ki nong snong ki badon khamtam syakini ki than ki syakajan kini ke semen plan namar kat kum bapa ka tugas ngi ba kata ka jingi dai ap jung pai ba bat kini ke company ka kamlong ka babha tena kalian ka jongi ngi la maham jur ki bagi dai ban ye treven kat padu pai ba bat ni ula itu ru yangi ba ha ka jing shisha na ka tu ka sngi na kalian ka jong ki kim pai perkhat bat kim kemen halar ketu ka jingja na kalian ka jong kiru kila penpau ka jing snusi halar ketu ka jingja tengi hi na kalian ka seng long ka jing dowa ka jongi bade ban remove permanently ya kitu ki armut na po kane ka company ten na kalian ka jong ki kila ai ka assurance bikin saya keren ha kata ka top level jong kane ka semen plan ada nang takin sapha yangi ka kaya ka rai ka bakate ka committee kan sa sim kin sa ai jing tip yangi ka seng